Hi guys, and welcome to today's trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on infy based on my unique trading strategies without any indicators. Okay, so I have taken buy around 1808 in the morning. Okay, and as you guys can see here, the stock has performed well on the buying side today. So this entry was made by following my unique strategies without any indicators. So 1808 was a price where there was a bit of a resistance, and if that resistance gives a breakout, I knew that the stock would perform in a good higher side. So by following my study and the strategy, I have made this trade, and this trade was in a profit for the day. So as you guys can see, this is the end of the day chart of Infosys. 1808 is the price where I bought it here in the morning, and later the stock has gone up and it has made a high of 1923 almost. Okay, so the stock has performed well, and by following my discipline and the strategy, I have kept my target up to 8 to 10 points and it was achieved. Okay, so this was a very simple trade, and this was the trade what I have executed today based on my unique study and the strategy. Okay, so if you guys want to learn how to execute good accurate trades like this and want to learn how to select the right stock in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. And also you can just go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from almost 7 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let's look at Nifty 50, how it has performed for the day. So firstly, let's look at how the pre-open market had opened for the day. So if you go to pre-open market page, we can see here that the Nifty 50 had opened minus 0.35% down for the day. So once the market opened in a bit of a downside, you can see how the market has recovered and it has gone up. So somewhere around 24474 is a good support level for the day. So from here the market has taken a good support and it has gone up till 24596, and from there it retraced to the downside. Okay, but again this level of 24474 for the support has held good for the day. Okay, so closing was a bit flat for Nifty 50 today. It has closed at minus 0.09 by losing 21 points down. But anyway, the market was a bit bullish before the closing, and this is how the market has performed for the day. Okay, and now let's look at the index, how they have performed for the day, the main indexes. Okay, so let's see the main sectoral indices for today. So coming to the indices section, we can see here that most of the indices are closed in a green for the day. So in that, Nifty Auto has gained most 1.15% up, and Nifty Pharma with 1.06% up, Nifty Metal with 1% up, and Nifty Healthcare with 1.10% up, and all the others are performed in a normal way. So this is how the overall market has been performed, and this is the trade what I've done for the day. So if you guys want to learn from me all these techniques, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.